Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kayi and I share easy, quick and very delicious recipes on this channel. And today I'm making plantain fritters. We're going to need 3 ingredients for today's recipe: 3 ripe plantains, 3 tablespoons of semolina and 5 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Let's start. I'm going to peel the plantain and after that I will mash it up. To make it easier, if you're using a smaller bowl, just cut it in like 3 or 4 pieces, so it will be very easier for you to mash it up. We call this kanklo in Togo. So if you have ripe plantains or banana, you don't throw it. Easy, quick and very delicious recipe to make with your ripe plantain. You can see my bowl is a little bit smaller, so I just have to push the plantains in. So use a bigger bowl just to make it easier for yourself. I'm going in now with the semolina, followed by the self-raising flour. And if you have similar recipe in your country, I would love to know the name, so kindly drop the name in the comment section and keep watching. I'm going to mash it up properly and make sure everything is well combined. If you want to blend it, go ahead and do that as well. Some people normally add a little bit of ginger to it, but I don't like ginger in this. I just love it. Very simple, but again, you have fun. It's your kitchen, your rules. Always remember, I'm just here to guide you. And if you have ripe banana right now and you don't know what to do with it, you can definitely use it to make this yummy recipe. I'm going to link the video in the description box. Check it out. You can just use even 2 ingredients for that. Now I'm very happy with how it is, exactly how it's supposed to be. And big shout out to all my returning subscribers. I truly appreciate you, and keep dropping your comments. Kindly share my videos with family and friends. That would definitely help me grow this channel. And kindly give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Now it's time to heat up the oil 3 to 4 minutes, and after that I'm going in right now with the mashed up plantains. I'm sure you agree with me. This is another quick, very easy and a recipe on a budget. Only 3 ingredients you need, and you're going to love this. Your guests will love it, and you can also make it for your family. Very quick, easy and delicious recipes. So if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my new recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure the notification bell is on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Let it fry on the first side for 5 minutes roughly, and after that, once you notice you have the golden color, make sure you flip it and let the other side cook as well for 5 minutes roughly, and it will be ready. As you can see, it's looking so yummy already, and I'm going to let it rest on the plate and go in with the second batches. from this side is already ready. So I'm gonna do the same thing, flip it and let the other side also fry it for similar time, and all of them will be done. And you can see it's so golden and looking yummy. The plantain fritters is ready. Very, very easy recipe to make. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If that is the case, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also try the recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it, and your guests will definitely thank you for it as well. Now it's time for me to try it. And guys, this was so delicious, and I had a lot of it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.